Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tethered to your gaming setup? Introducing the Razer Barracuda X Wireless Gaming and Mobile, the ultimate solution for gamers on the go. This wireless powerhouse is a game changer, and I'm not just saying that. Thousands of customers have already made the switch and can't stop raving about it. With its smart switch dual wireless technology, you can seamlessly transition between high-speed 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth mode, enjoying uninterrupted audio as you hop between your PC, console, and phone. The 250G ergonomic design is built for marathon gaming sessions, yet it's also ridiculously comfortable and portable, perfect for daily commutes. The breathable memory foam ear cushions and swiveling ear cups make it feel like you're wearing a cloud, and the Triforce 40mm drivers deliver exceptional highs, mids, and lows that will transport you to a new level of gaming immersion. The detachable hyper-clear cardioid mic is a total winner, suppressing background noise and ensuring your voice comes through loud and clear, whether you're in the heat of battle or just chatting with friends. And with on-headset controls, you're always in command, effortlessly switching between music, videos, and calls with ease. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just someone who loves great sound, the Razer Barracuda X is the perfect choice. It's a versatile, high-quality headset that's sure to take your audio experience to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your sound today and discover a whole new world of gaming and music. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.